Ever wondered how Netflix knows what you want to watch before you do? Or how Google can predict what you're going to search? Welcome to the world of data science. Data science is like the mastermind behind the curtain, pulling the strings of our digital world. It's a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. In simpler terms, data science is about finding and interpreting rich data sources, managing large amounts of data, merging data sources, ensuring consistency of datasets, creating visualizations to aid in understanding data, and making informed decisions based on the analyzed data. At its core, data science involves using automated methods to sift through massive amounts of data. Think of it as a gigantic sieve, filtering through a mountain of information to find the golden nuggets of knowledge. These nuggets are then used to make predictions, create recommendations, and even drive decision-making in businesses and organizations. Take, for instance, your favorite online platforms. When Netflix recommends a new series based on your viewing history, or when Google predicts what you're searching for as you type, that's data science at work. These recommendation systems use algorithms to analyze your past behavior and predict what you might like or do in the future. But it's not just about online services. From predicting weather patterns to optimizing logistics for shipping companies, from detecting credit card fraud to developing new medicines, data science plays a crucial role in various sectors, making our lives more efficient, safer, and sometimes even more exciting. Data science is a vast field, encompassing various techniques and theories from mathematics, statistics, and computer science. So it's not just about data. It's also about understanding complex behaviors, trends, and inferences. It's about making sense out of chaos and providing useful insights that can be used to make decisions. So, data science is the backbone of many of the services we use every day. But how does it work? Scene script. Data science is not magic. It's a process, a life cycle. Let's dive in. Imagine you're an explorer embarking on a journey. The first stage of this adventure is data collection. It's like setting out to gather supplies for your expedition. You might be collecting numbers, text, images, or even sounds. The main thing is, you're gathering raw, unprocessed data from various sources. Next up, we have data preparation. This is the stage where you sort, clean, and organize your collected data. Picture it as packing your supplies neatly into your backpack. You're removing any unnecessary items, categorizing things so they're easy to find, and making sure everything is in good condition for the journey ahead. Once you're all packed and ready, it's time to embark on the real adventure, data analysis. This is where you apply statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and other tools to your data. It's like navigating through the wilderness using your compass, map, and other tools to find your way. You're looking for patterns, trends, and relationships in your data that can give you valuable insights. After you've navigated through the wilderness of data, you arrive at the stage of data interpretation. This is where you make sense of what you've discovered. You're interpreting the patterns and trends you've found, understanding what they mean in the context of your journey. It's like reaching a viewpoint on your expedition and taking in the landscape, understanding the lay of the land. Finally, we reach the stage of data visualization. Here, you're creating visual representations of your findings to make them easily understandable. It's like drawing a map of the landscape you've discovered, so you can share your findings with others. Charts, graphs, and other visual tools help you communicate your discoveries effectively. So that's the life cycle of data science, from collection to visualization. But what makes a good data scientist? What does it take to be a data scientist? Some of the skills might surprise you. For starters, a data scientist needs to be well-versed in programming languages, such as Python and R. These languages are essential for managing and manipulating data. But don't worry, you don't need to be a coding savant. A solid grasp of the basics, combined with a willingness to learn, goes a long way. Next, statistical knowledge is paramount. A data scientist must effectively interpret data, draw inferences, and make predictions. This requires a good understanding of statistical theories and models. You'll need to be comfortable with concepts like regression analysis, probability, and statistical testing. Then, there's data visualization. This is all about presenting data in a way that's easy to understand. A good data scientist can take a complex data set and transform it into a simple graph or chart. Tools like Tableau and D3.js can help, but the real skill is in choosing the right visual representation for the data at hand. Of course, we can't forget about machine learning techniques. These are becoming increasingly important in the field of data science. Whether it's supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement learning, a data scientist needs to understand these techniques to create predictive models and algorithms. But it's not all about technical skills. A data scientist also needs a healthy dose of curiosity. This is what drives them to ask the right questions, explore the data, and uncover hidden insights. Along with this, problem-solving skills are essential. After all, the goal of data science is to solve problems using data. Finally, communication skills are key. A data scientist must be able to explain their findings in a clear and understandable way, not just to other data scientists, but also to non-technical stakeholders. This means being able to translate complex data into simple, actionable insights. So, being a data scientist is not just about crunching numbers. It's about asking the right questions and finding the answers in the data. Data science is not confined to the tech world. It has far-reaching applications in many fields. Let's delve into how this discipline is transforming various sectors, starting with healthcare. In the healthcare sector, data science is a game changer. It's being tapped for disease prediction and prevention. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, data scientists can identify patterns and trends that lead to specific health conditions. For instance, they might analyze lifestyle factors, genetic data, and environmental variables to predict who is most likely to develop heart disease. This allows for early interventions and personalized treatment plans, potentially saving countless lives. Now let's shift gears to finance. Here, data science is instrumental in risk assessment. Financial institutions leverage data science to predict and mitigate risks. They analyze various factors such as credit history, market trends, and economic indicators to determine the likelihood of loan defaults or investment losses. This not only protects the institutions, but also helps consumers by ensuring they are not extended credit beyond their means. Lastly, we'll look at retail, a sector where data science has been a game changer for customer segmentation. Retailers are using data science to analyze shopping patterns, purchasing history, and customer preferences. This information is used to segment customers into groups with similar behaviors or tastes. This segmentation allows retailers to tailor their marketing and sales strategies to specific customer groups, enhancing the shopping experience and boosting sales. Data science is also being used in numerous other fields, from transportation, where it aids in optimizing routes and reducing fuel consumption, to entertainment, where it helps in recommending personalized content to viewers. The possibilities are endless, and we are only scratching the surface. So, from predicting diseases to assessing financial risks, data science plays a crucial role in many fields. But what's the future of data science? Let's explore that in our next segment. The future of data science is as vast and varied as the data it analyzes. But there are some trends worth noting. As we journey into the future, we see data science evolving and adapting to new challenges and opportunities. One of the most significant trends is the rise of automated machine learning. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, has always been a crucial part of data science. But now, we're seeing an increasing shift towards automation. Automated machine learning, or AutoML, uses algorithms and techniques to automate the process of constructing machine learning models. This not only speeds up the process, but also makes it more accessible to non-experts, broadening the field and making it more inclusive. Another major trend is the increasing importance of data privacy. As we generate more and more data, the question of how to protect that data becomes increasingly critical. Data scientists of the future will need to be adept at navigating the complex world of data privacy, ensuring that data is used ethically and responsibly. We're also seeing a growing need for data literacy. As data becomes an integral part of our lives, it's crucial that we understand how to interpret and use it. This isn't just for data scientists, but for everyone. In the future, data literacy may become as essential as reading and writing. Data scientists will play a pivotal role in fostering this literacy, educating others about the power and potential pitfalls of data. So while the future of data science is marked by exciting advancements and possibilities, challenges and responsibilities come with it. It's a field that's continuously evolving, and those who can adapt and grow with it will be at the forefront of this exciting frontier. So the future of data science is exciting and holds a lot of promise. But remember, data science is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the world of data science. Let's recap. We started by defining data science, a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from data. It's an exciting blend of statistical analysis and machine learning, all wrapped up in the quest to answer questions and make predictions about the world around us. Then we delved into the life cycle of data science. It's not just about crunching numbers or coding complex algorithms, it's a process that starts with understanding the problem we're trying to solve, collecting and cleaning the data, exploring and analyzing it, modeling and interpreting the results, and finally communicating the insights. We also talked about the key skills of a data scientist. In addition to a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics, data scientists need to be proficient in programming languages like Python or R. They should also have strong analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. But perhaps most importantly, they need a sense of curiosity and a knack for storytelling, because data science is, at its heart, about telling stories with data. Next, we explored the real-world applications of data science. From predicting weather patterns and optimizing logistics, to personalizing online shopping experiences and improving healthcare outcomes, data science has a wide range of applications that impact our daily lives in ways we often don't even realize. Looking ahead, we discussed the future of data science. With the rate of data generation increasing exponentially, the demand for data scientists is projected to grow. As advancements in technology continue, data science will play an integral role in shaping our future, opening up new possibilities in areas like artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, and beyond. Data science is an exciting field with endless possibilities. Whether you're a tech professional looking to expand your skills, or just a curious mind wanting to understand the world better, data science has something to offer you.